Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to make a logo bigger on Squarespace. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. In your main menu, go to design and select custom CSS, and now here you will need to put some CSS code. Simply first of all type here a dot, type here header hyphen title hyphen logo and give a space and type image, give a space and second bracket and type here max hyphen height, and now give here the size you want. So here you can see logo is bigger now, and I'm making a little bit bigger. You just increase this value and your logo will be bigger. So this was how we can make logo bigger on Squarespace. If you think to see more Squarespace videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. Thank you for watching.